Little blue truck and his good friend Toad are going to the park just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who sat in a tooth, striking a pose upon the tiny zippable toad? Under the mask, who do you see?
Quack!
Says a dog.
It's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see?
Bear.
Says the sheep.
It's me.
Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Says the cow.
It's me. What gurgly hair? What funny teeth? Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see?
What?
Says the pig.
It's me.
There's a fancy feather on the parrot's head. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see?
Clock.
Says the hen.
It's me. A dragon's head and dragon wing. Who's that wearing those dragons things? Under the mask, who do you see?
Nay.
Says the horse. It's me. Drop, says Toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this boat before? Ah, of course the street is you know who. Little blue truck said.
Beep, beep, boo.